Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi kids, how are you? Before going to the topic, we will do some warm-up exercise. All of you sit straight, children. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Now clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Children, previous class, chapter number 1 completed. Okay, shapes lesson. Today, I will say you about workbook. You did the works in the workbook. As that is right or wrong, you should check. I will write on the board. Okay. All of you open your workbook. Multiple choice questions. A shape of 1 rupee is a dash. Option A, circle, square, rectangle, triangle. Which one is right answer? Option A. Second one. A triangle is a dash figure. 2D, closed, both AB are open. Which one? Triangle. This is triangle. Yes. This is open figure. No. This is closed figure. And 2D figure also. Yes. That's why you should write option C. Both AB. Yes. Next. A shape of. What is the shape? See once in third one. Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Which option is correct option? Rectangle. B. Option B. You should write. Next. Multiple choice question. The point where at least two sides of a figure meet is called an. See? Two figures, it will meet here. What is this? Vertex. S. See, line, diagonals, vertex, edge. What will call this? Vertex. What is that option? C. Next. A straight line that joins the opposite vertices of a closed figure is called an. Which one? See, closed figure. Opposite vertices. It will join as what we call diagonal. Fifth one. Answer B. Diagonal. As children. Next. Turn the page. Page number 2. Sixth one. A diagonals in here they given the figure. See like this. As in this figure they given the diagonals. B, C, A, B, S. Which one is Z? AC one diagonal and BD one more diagonal. S. Which option is correct? Tell me. C. Option C. Understood? Sixth one. Option C. Now, seventh one. Fill in the blanks. A triangle has dash diagonals. In triangle, is there any diagonal, children? See, in the triangle, any diagonal is there? No. No diagonals. Eighth one. A circle has any vertices? No. A square and rectangle have dash vertices. How many vertices is there in rectangle and square? 4. See? Square, rectangle. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 vertices. 4 vertices. Next, short, very short answer questions. 10th one. What is the unique features of square? Unique feature of the square. What is that? 10th one. It has 4 equal sides. Yes, it has 4 equal sides. How many vertices does a triangle have? How many vertices does a triangle have? 11th one. 3 vertices. 3 vertices. How many diagonals does this circle have? No. No. Yes. Short answer question. Complete the following table. See 13th one. Complete the following table. The given shape. You should write vertices and diagonals. Okay. 13th one. What are the vertices they have? See. P, Q, S, R. These are vertices. S. Diagonals. Diagonals what are they? P, R and SQ. See, this is vertices, this is diagonals. Understood, children? Next, complete the following table. Again, 14th one. Vertices A, B, C, D. S. Diagonals. AC one diagonal and BD one more diagonal. See children, page number 3rd, open. Long answer questions. 15th one. Look at the figure and answer the following questions. See the given figure as like this. They given the names also. As they given. See, how many vertices does it have? How many vertices does it have? Say, first one, A. What you have to write? It has, how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 4 vertices. How many vertices, children? 4 vertices. Name them. Name them means what you have to do? You should write the names. A, B, C and D. S. Okay, next. Name the diagonals from A. From A to C. You should write the diagonal and name the B1 diagonal from A is AC. See, AC is the diagonal of from A. Yes. Next, 16th one. Draw a square W, X, Y, Z and answer the following questions. See, you should draw the diagram. Understood? You should draw the diagram. First square you should draw. Understood? and W, X, Y, Z. Should name the diagram. Okay. What is that? Name the vertices. How many vertices it has? First A. How many vertices it has? W, X, Y, Z. S, W, X, Y and Z are vertices. Next, B1. Name the diagonals. See, draw the diagonals. WZ, XY. Understood? What is that? Diagonals? The diagonals are WZ and XY. Understood? See, complete the following table. See, 17th one, applications, short answer question. Now, applications, short answer questions. Complete the following table. See here children, they given some table as they given shapes. You should find number of vertices, number of diagonals. See, what is that shape? Tell me. Given some shapes. What is this? Rupees 20 rupees note. Which shape is this? Rectangle. How many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices. How many diagonals? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. S. See, biscuit. He given like this biscuit. S. Biscuit. How many vertices it has? 4 vertices. How many diagonals? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. S. Next. Turn the page children. Page number 4. Again, complete the following table. You should find the number of vertices and number of diagonals. See here. See, this is the shape. S. What you have to do? You should join here and you should draw the diagonals. See, how many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 vertices. S. Again you can join here. S. And here you can join. S. How many diagonals you can find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 diagonals. How many vertices? 5 vertices, 5 diagonals. Understood children? See children, what is this figure? This is kite. S. How many vertices it has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. How many diagonals? 1, 2. 2 diagonals. And see children, 19th one, long answer questions. Look at the picture given and answer the following question. Look at the picture. See, they given the picture as see, they given the blackboard as children. They asking some questions. You should say the answers and you should write in. What is the shape of this object? What is the shape of this object? Tell me. Rectangle as first one. 19-bit first one. The shape of this object is rectangle. As what is the shape of this object? Rectangle. How many sides does it have? How many sides does it have? 1, 2, 3, 4. As 4 sides. B1. It has 4 sides. As next. How many diagonals does it have? How many diagonals? Tell me. 2 diagonals. It has 2 diagonals. Next. How many vertices does it have? How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. It has 4 vertices. Now 20th one. What is the shape of the given picture? Find the number of, see the given picture. As what is the shape of this picture? Triangle. What is the shape of this picture? Triangle. How many sides? See, you should find the sides. Sides. How many sides? It has 3 sides. Diagonals. How many diagonals? Can do any diagonal in this? No. No diagonals. Third one. Vertices. How many vertices it has? See, vertices. 1, 2, 3. It has 3 vertices. Understood, children? Write in the workbook. 21st. Short answer questions. Name a 3D dimensional figure that has the following. A circular base. Circular base that has circular base itself. What is that? Cone and cylinder. Cone and cylinder. B1. A triangular base. Cuboid. A triangular base. Cuboid. See children, 22nd one. Long answer questions. Yes. The given cuboid. See, the given cuboid S, D, C, G, F, A, B, H, E, S, C. Look at the figure and answer the following questions. What is the shape? What is this shape? A. The shape of a cuboid. What is that? Cuboid. This is cuboid. Yes? Now, name the vertices. How many vertices it has? Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 vertices. What are they? The vertices are. What are they? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Yes? Now, third one. The edges are AB, AH, BE, EF, CF, FG, DC, DA, HE, HG, DG and BC. Understood, children? How many edges? 12 edges and sides. See, now fourth one. Name the faces. The faces are, see, A, B, C, D. One face. Next, C, F, B, E. C, F, B, E. One more face. G, F, H, E. G, F, H, E. Third face. D, G, A, H. D, G, A, H. One more face. After that, H, E, A, B. H, E, A, B. See, children, how many faces came? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more I should write. H, E, G, F. Over, na? DC. DC. And DC, GF. Understood? How many faces? 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. Understood, children? Write in the workbook. Sorry, check in the workbook. Should check. Whatever you wrote that is right or wrong, check it properly. And see, children, this is your homework. Practice workbook page number 1 and 2 for ST. What you have to do, you should practice workbook page number 1 and 2 for ST. Practice well, children. If you practice properly, you will write ST neat and proper. Yes or no? Practice properly. You have ST tomorrow. Understood? Okay, bye, children. We will meet again in the next class. Take care.